What's up guys? Today we're going to be cleaning the engine bay in my Mustang. So I'll show you how I do it when I detail this, and you can tell it's been a little while since I've done it. So nothing too bad in here, it's mostly just dust and dirt, but under the hood you always get a little bit of grease and grime. So I'll show you how it's done here. We're just going to use some simple green. This stuff works on just about everything. So first thing you want to do is get it wet, because I'm not going to be diluting the simple green, so it's pretty concentrated stuff. So you got to spray it down first, get some water on there, and then we'll put some simple green on and go from there. Alright, so once you got your simple green in here, you want to make sure to get all the hoses all rubber, stuff like this, where the dirt sticks to it and doesn't ever want to come off. Your radiator hoses, anything like that, anything pretty much that's black in there, that's usually what tends to stay dirty if you just use water. But we're going to hurry and spray this off because you don't want to let the simple green dry on there. So alright, we got it all sprayed off here. It's always hard to tell when it's wet still because it looks cleaner, but there's a lot of stuff coming off, so all that dirt and crap in there definitely was coming off. But yeah, usually when I'm doing this, simple green's usually all it takes. Except for with the Crown Vics, they needed some of the super clean, which is basically a stronger degreaser. But for something like this, it doesn't leak, it doesn't need anything as long as you keep up on it. Simple green's fine. But one thing to note in here is try not to pressure wash super close, or stuff like the stickers on here, you don't want to spray all those off. And put your pressure washer on a lower setting like I had mine. I don't know how well that came through on the video, but yeah, there's just a few things to watch for, but it's pretty easy. This is usually about all I do, and then I'll dry it off here and show you the after, but that's about all that it takes. Some people go farther, put some Armor All, stuff like that on it. I don't like using that under the hood, but it's all personal preference. So all right, we got it wiped off now. Here's the finished product. Oh yeah, looking good. Not 100% dry yet, but definitely a lot better. Another thing to note is you want to make sure to get all the simple green off that splashes, maybe out under your paint or on the front bumper or something. I did that. I'm going to be washing the car right now anyway, so that's usually a good idea after you spray off under the hood, because stuff goes flying. But yeah, so now that we got it clean, that might lead you to one of my next videos. We might have some parts to put in, so subscribe if you want to see more. Let me know what you like and what you don't.